Have you ever looked at a picture of Saturn and just marveled at those incredible rings? They look so majestic, so permanent, like they've been there forever and will be there forever. It's the planet's signature look, right? The icon of our solar system. Well, what if I told you that this iconic image is actually just a fleeting moment in cosmic time? It's true. Saturn is losing its rings, and we are incredibly lucky to be alive to see them at all. So, what's happening to them? It's a phenomenon that scientists have nicknamed ring rain. Imagine this. Saturn's rings are mostly made of countless particles of water ice, ranging in size from tiny dust specks to massive boulders as big as a house. These particles are in a constant delicate dance, orbiting the giant planet. But they aren't perfectly safe up there. They're constantly being bombarded by two main things: micrometeoroids and the sun's ultraviolet radiation. When a tiny micrometeoroid smashes into an ice particle in the rings, it vaporizes the ice, creating a puff of charged water molecules. The sun's UV light does something similar. It can charge up the ice particles directly. Now, here's where Saturn's own power comes into play. The planet has a massive magnetic field, and once these water particles become electrically charged, they are no longer just governed by gravity. They get caught up in Saturn's magnetic field lines. Think of it like iron filings being pulled towards a magnet. Saturn's magnetic field grabs these charged water particles and funnels them down, pulling them out of the rings and onto the planet's upper atmosphere. They literally rain down onto Saturn, and this isn't just a gentle sprinkle. Scientists using data from NASA's Cassini spacecraft, which famously plunged into Saturn at the end of its mission, were able to estimate the rate of this ring rain. The amount of water falling onto Saturn every half hour could fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool. That's an incredible amount of material being stripped away from the rings, second by second, minute by minute, day by day. So the big question is, how long do the rings have left? Based on these observations, scientists have made some startling predictions. The worst-case scenario, the fastest estimate, suggests the rings could be completely gone in as little as 100 million years. Now, 100 million years sounds like an eternity to us, right? But on a cosmic timescale, that's the blink of an eye. The solar system is over 4.5 billion years old. If you think about that entire history as a single day, 100 million years is just a few minutes. This means that for most of its existence, Saturn probably didn't have these magnificent rings. And for most of its future, it won't have them either. This also helps solve a long-standing mystery. How old are the rings? For a long time, astronomers thought the rings formed along with Saturn billions of years ago. But if they're losing mass this quickly, they couldn't possibly be that old. If they were, they would have vanished long ago. This new evidence strongly suggests that the rings are young. Cosmically speaking, they probably formed relatively recently, perhaps only 10 to 100 million years ago. Maybe a stray icy moon or a large comet got too close to Saturn and was torn apart by its immense gravity. creating the beautiful bright rings we see today. So, what does this all mean for us? It means we are living in a very special, very brief window of time. We happen to be on this planet, looking up at the sky, at the exact moment in the solar system's long history when Saturn is at its most spectacular. Future civilizations, whether they're here on Earth or somewhere else, might look up at a very different sky. They might see Jupiter, Mars, and a plain ringless Saturn. They would have no idea what they missed. It's a powerful reminder that the universe is not static. It's a dynamic, ever-changing place. Planets change, stars are born and die, and even the most seemingly permanent features can fade away. It makes you appreciate the view we have right now that much more. The next time you see a picture of Saturn, don't just see a static planet. See it for what it is, a fleeting cosmic spectacle, a temporary masterpiece of gravity and ice. We are the lucky ones who get to witness its glory before it's gone forever. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the ringed planet. If you love exploring the wonders of the cosmos and want to keep fueling your mind, make sure to subscribe to the Cosmic Drive. We've got so much more of the universe to explore together. See you next time.